basically she is Dr. Pranali and he is Dr. Sonu
Kumar.
They both came from Pune. इन्होंने हमारे से 7.5 किलोवाट का पेट्रोल वर्जन जनरेटर सेट परचेस किया है एंड वी हैव गिवन 1 year वारंटी फॉर देम. कुछ बताइए मैम, किस चीज़ के लिए क्या है आपका?
We are basically purchasing this generator for our own hospital setup.
Name?
Which is in Pune right now, Rao Chajuram Memorial Hospital. It is a new setup.
पुणे में?
Pune
देहूगांव.
अच्छा.
Dehugaon.
And for what purpose you will use this product?
Basically for running all the machineries
अच्छा.
which will be there in our hospital, like ventilators, monitor, and all the OT equipments.
And from where you got our reference?
This sir will tell you better because he is the
My
one.
friend Asutosh Gupta.
अच्छा, from.
I got reference from his father.
अच्छा, and आपको हमारी सर्विस कैसी लगी?
Yeah, it is quite satisfactory.
एंड हमने इनको प्रोडक्ट भी दिखाया, प्रोडक्ट कैसा लगा?
I pretty much like the product.
अच्छा, आगे कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी तो सो काइंडली गिव अस अ चांस टू सॉल्व. ओके,
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you.